Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change your account email address on the Pinterest app for PC using the latest update. Whether you want to update your contact details or switch to a new email, following these easy instructions will have it done in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and find the gear icon. That's your gateway to all the settings. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, in the settings area, navigate to the section called Account Management. This is where you'll make changes related to your profile details, including your email address. Now it's time to update your email. Simply enter your new email address in the designated field. After typing in your new email, be sure to click the Save button to confirm your change. This step is important to ensure Pinterest registers your update. Once you've saved the new email, Pinterest will send a verification code to that email address. Check your inbox for this email, open it, and copy the code provided. Return to the Pinterest app and enter the verification code where prompted. After entering it, click Enter or Confirm, and that's it. Your Pinterest account email address is now updated and verified. This small update helps keep your account secure and ensures you receive all notifications at the right place. Remember, keeping your contact details current is essential for hassle-free access and communication. So whenever you need to make changes, just follow these straightforward steps. Thanks for watching.